Imagine you have an ice cream. You tried it, tasted, and want to say I love it. But you can't translate it the same way into Russian. Love is a strong feeling that needs some time to form. Use любить when you already understood that it's a real love. Он любит ванильное мороженое. He already tried some ice creams several times and decided that he really loves them, all vanilla ice creams, in general. That's the main difference between English and Russian. In Russian, you need time to start loving. Don't forget the forms of this любить. Я люблю, L from nowhere, ты любишь, он любит, она любит, мы любим, вы любите, они любят. What if your feeling is not so strong? You just like it. And here is come verb нравится. How to deal with it? So we are still looking at the vanilla ice cream. What do you think about it? Liking? And the ice cream gives the feeling of liking to whom? To you. The other words to me. So you're a receiver of this liking. You need to use dative form of I. Мне. If the receiver he, it would be ему form. She form ей. She is a receiver of this liking. Тебе you form. Нам we form. Вам you form. And им they form. It's all about dative case. And now we need to translate like. In present tense, you have only two options. Нравится и нравятся. Tiny difference. Нравится, нравятся. Нравится is for singular form and нравятся for plural form. By the way, you don't need to pronounce нравятся. Я is unstressed, so it's actually нравится. A little bit E sound there. Don't worry if they just sound нравится for singular and нравятся for plural form alike. They can sound alike. No problem. So, нравится for plural form. When we choose the form of the verb, why do we look at the ice cream? Because the ice cream is the subject here. It gives the feeling to you, not you like ice cream, as it's in English. That's the reason you have mistakes with such phrases. The construction differs from English. There are some ideas about нравится when you can use it. When you want to get to know somebody better. Maybe it's a date. The girl is saying, мне не нравится рыба. Мне не нравятся фрукты. She's just telling about herself. Мне нравится футбол. Мне нравятся собаки. The girl is focused on what she likes and dislikes. Мне she is saying mindlessly, without thinking, as dative form is always the same. regardless of the gender, number of the subject, and the tense. While you are eating your ice cream, you can say мне нравится это мороженое. But only when your mouth is full and you are enjoying the ice cream right now. You can express your emotions like this. You can use нравится in the past tense when you used to like it. If you say I liked it, it means you don't like it right now anymore. Otherwise, why you would mention your preferences from the past? Examples. Раньше мне нравилось пиво. Now he is old and he is just thinking what he liked, used to like before. Раньше мне нравилось пиво. Раньше мне нравились вечеринки. Before I used to like them. I liked them. I liked parties. Мне нравилась американская еда. As I said, the first word we keep the same. You change the verb нравится by following the rules for the past tense. First, let's drop ся to make it easier. Then you need to put past form. L for masculine, la for feminine, li plural, and lo for neuter or neutral form. Then you look at this ся. If the ending is consonant, you put ся back. But if it's not consonant, vowel, you will put s instead. If you don't want to check the ending, just learn that you keep ся ending only for male singular thing that you used to like. And now the most common usage of нравится, but still the most troublesome. Remember that ice cream you tasted, tried. You said I love it. That's where you use нравится, not because you like it, but not love. No, because it's the only way to say about your feelings after you tried something out. You tried and you react. It's Maria. Я была в Париже, she said. She saw a lot of things and she tried a lot of things, and now she has her own reaction. Мне понравилась еда. But we are talking about Maria. Ей понравилась еда. She saw some paintings, and her reaction – ей понравились картины. The whole town – ей понравился город. She saw the town and she liked it. The reaction. Now her husband. Он тоже был в Париже. The reaction can be different. Ему не понравилась еда. Ему не понравился музей. Also, you can finish the film and you can give your reaction. Мне понравился фильм. So your reaction can be about the recent action. Just maybe a second ago. You did it, you finished it, and now you have the reaction. Понравится can be used in future. It's perfective aspect, so we use ending for present tense. The receiver who will get that good feeling is still the same as before. Мне, ему, нам and the rest. Понравится. You or somebody will like it. Понравится for plural thing that somebody will like. You will like it. You will love it. Ты должен посмотреть фильм «Титаник». Тебе понравятся актеры. Тебе понравится музыка. You will definitely like or love them. As you can see, you choose the form of the verb mostly not because of the strength of your feeling, but because of the situation you are in. Надеюсь, вам понравилось видео. Понравилось. You finished the video, and I want to know your reaction. Вам понравилось видео?